Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an Easter basket. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our cartoon Easter basket, you want to begin right here on your paper. I'm going to begin by just making a nice big smiley face shape like this. Next, on each side, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curl down. And you just want to connect these with a nice little curved line. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and we'll make another one that's going to come down here too. You can see they're going in at an angle just a little bit. Next, we're going to connect these with a little curved line, and I'll make another line that's just going to go down, and that's going to come across up to here for the bottom of the basket. Now, starting up here, we want to make the top of our basket. So I'm going to start, well actually first we'll start up here. I'm going to make a little bow on here. So kind of lined up with the middle, you want to make a nice circle shape on top. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up on each side. After you do that, you want to make a line that's going to come down. Then you want to make a line that's going to come up. I also like to add two little lines inside of here. And I also like to take this line and just curl it right down to here, so it looks like you can kind of see the bottom or inside of the bow. Right here, you're going to make a little line that's going to curve down on each side. Then put a little line that goes up and down on each end. Then just bring it right back up to the top. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up to the bow. And then we're going to make another one right here. Do the same thing here. Start on the end, draw right up to the bow, and make another one right here. Now, inside of here, I want to add a couple little Easter eggs. I'm going to start right here first, and we'll just make a little line that's going to come up and down like this for an egg. I'll make another one over here that's going to go up and down. And also place one over here. It's going to come up, and it's going to go down like this. Now, right here, I'm going to add a circle on this part of my basket. We'll leave some space, and I'm going to make another circle over here, and I want it to be about the same size. I'm also going to add a little black dot inside each one for a little pupil, so we can put a face on here. Make a little line that comes across, and another little line that goes up and down for a mouth. A little sad face in here for a tongue. Then you can just color this part in black just so you can show where the mouth is. Now, starting on this part of the basket, I want to make it look like it's kind of woven. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines on here. So we're just going to make some lines that just come down. And this will just kind of help look like it's kind of like a woven basket, like it's got a little bit of detail on there. We're just making these curved lines all the way across here. And then we'll also do the same thing down here. We're just going to make these little curved lines on here, just to make it look like it's got a little bit of texture and detail. Now, on here, I want to give my eggs a little face as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple circles on the first one. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some little cute eyes. So I'm just going to add two little circles in here, and then I'm just going to color in the rest. I'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to make a couple circles on here. We'll just add two little curved lines on each side. And then I'm just going to color these in the middle. And I'll do the same thing over here on this one. We're just going to kind of color in this little area. Next, starting here, I'm just going to add a little happy mouth on each one of these eggs. So we're just going to add a little happy face on each one. Then I'm just going to add a couple little details on each one of these eggs. I'll make some little wavy lines on one. I'll make some curved lines on another one. And then I'll just put some polka dots on the last one. And there you go. There is your cartoon Easter basket. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.